I'm just going to show you briefly now how we can use Classroom to set assignments for your learners and to send messages to them through the Classroom dashboard. So I have my class set up here already, so I'm just going to go into there and you'll see that there are two options. So this page is called the stream. I can see any upcoming assignments here and also the class code again, which I referred to in the last video. So the first thing I'll show you is an announcement. An announcement is simply a message. It doesn't set deadlines for students or ask them to submit any work. So I might say to them, here's some interesting background reading, perhaps, about a topic or before we start a topic. And I've got four options here. I can attach a file, that's for uploading from your computer. Alternatively, I can insert straight from my drive. And the best way to do this is just to know the document you're looking for. So I'm just going to pop in my one-to-one guidance document here. And you see it's just loaded. And that's now added. We can put in a YouTube video, and there's two options here. You can search or even paste in the URL, or finally you can put a link to a website. So let's just drop that in quickly, and we press add, and so there's the announcement for the students. Now, whether you do an announcement or assignment, you can actually send this to any of your classes. So if you have a Year 10 class that you're setting this assignment for, but you also have two other classes of Year 10s, you can actually set this announcement for multiple classes at once, if you wish. When you're happy that's done, just press post. So that's the announcements dealt with. Students in your class that have already enrolled will receive an email with that announcement. So let's quickly look at the assignment option. Very similar to the announcement, other than you've got a description now. So let's say this is essay 1. I can put a description in there, maybe with some bullets, breaking it down for them. Okay, but obviously you might want to give some kind of scaffolding as well using any of these links. The difference here is that you've got a due date option. So the great thing with this is you can actually prevent students from uploading their work, or at least you can see if they've missed the deadline, if that's how you like to check whether they've done a piece of work. So I'll set that for the 1st of September at 3 o'clock and press enter. Now, the major difference between an announcement and an assignment is, and I'll quickly show you when I add this Google document. So again, I'll put the same document in so you can see what's going to happen now. Now you can see this is the difference here. We've got some options. Students can actually view this file, or they can edit the original. So what that means is there's one document and say all 24 pupils or students can edit that file. Or alternatively, if this is a worksheet that you want them to fill in, you can give a copy to each student so they get this guidance document, or it might be a template for them to fill in. Now, once you assign this, just a word of warning, you can go in and edit the assignment, but you cannot choose the third option. So if you've chosen to let them edit an original copy and you wanted to make a copy for each student, once you've set this assignment, you cannot go in and add this third option. You can only do this now. Okay, so you can add as many documents or as videos as you wish. So I can just drop it in here. So let's just put in a video. So you might give them some other resources to back up the work. There we go. So we've got the document here, we've got the video that maybe they're going to watch, and you can see when I go to assign, there's a little drop down next to it. I can just save it as a draft if I want to do this later on, and you can see again I can assign this task to multiple classes if I wish to save myself some time. And now that's assigned. And that's basically the two main options of the stream. You can set announcements and you can set assignments. You can see here that if there's any upcoming assignments, it normally populates as it gets closer, that they will show in here. You can show your deleted items in here. If you've previously removed any assignments, you can't restore them, unfortunately. And then just very quickly on the editing front, you can see I can edit an assignment or announcement or delete them. And let me just show you the thing I was talking about a moment ago. Look, I can't actually in here change that option now. So once it's set to each student will get a copy, I cannot retrospectively go back and change it.